Hey, welcome back to Mastering Icon Fonts on the Web. In this lesson, we'll have a look at some of the most popular icon font kits or sets, however you want to call them. Now, you already saw one of them, Font Awesome, so let's find out more about that. Font Awesome is created by Dave Gandy, and it's one of the most popular icon fonts out there because it has a bunch of icons. At this point, 519 in version 4.3, and it's totally free. So if we take a look at the license, you'll see that it's fully open source, GPL friendly, and you can use it even for commercial projects. Now, the icons are separated in a couple of categories. So we can see here we have web application icons, and then transportation, gender, file types, spinners, even form controls, payment icons, and a few other categories. So no matter what kind of projects you're working on, this font kit will give you everything you need. On the Font Awesome webpage, you'll also find instructions on how to get started with the font and also a few examples on how to use the icons, including the specialty classes. So definitely check that out. Another great kit is IcoMoon. Now, this is way more than a simple set of icons. It contains several packs of icons and also a great tool that allows you to build your own icon font. IcoMoon offers several icon packs. It has a free version, which basically has a limited number of icons. It does not have Photoshop shapes or dual tone icons. And its license specifies that you can share or adapt the icons, but you need to give attribution, even if it's a personal project or a commercial project. The other two packs have a different number of icons, different prices, but the same license. Basically, this allows you to use the icons anywhere you want, and you don't have to give attribution. The Essential Pack has only 950 icons, while the Ultimate one has all the icons, 1600. So that's a huge set. You'll find every single icon you need in there. IcoMoon also has a premium feature that allows you to store your font on their servers and then use it from there. It's just like Font Awesome does on the MaxCDN server. Here, there are different plans with different options, so you can find the one that's suitable for you. But probably the best feature of IcoMoon is the app. You can use the app to generate your own font. If you have a bunch of vectors that you want to use to create a font, this is the easiest option. You have the ability to choose from existing icon sets, or you can import your own icons. And this is very simple to use. You just choose the icons you want to use. You click Generate Font. It's going to give you a full list here, and then you would download it. More about this in a future lesson. Then there's Iconic, a great set that goes a bit further than your traditional icon set. So let's find out more. Iconic has some very well-designed icons, as you can see here. Now, you can use their icons to create any kind of theme with CSS. You can see dual tone icons here. You can see multicolored icons. So that's pretty cool. These icons come in multiple formats like SVG, web font, and also raster. But unlike Font Awesome or IcoMoon, you have to pay to use Iconic. They do have a trial if you want, but it's only a handful of icons and only in SVG. So you can't really do much with it. You can just grab the web font for $39 or everything including SVGs and all the other files for $129. Now, these three are probably some of the most used kits out there, so let's have a look at some more quality ones. The first one is Glyph Icons. This one has 610 symbols, and it has different plans. It has a Pro plan, which basically gives you everything. Then there's an All plan that only gives you icons in raster format. And then there's a Free plan, which just gives you PNGs. If you want to be able to host your own icons or create your own icon fonts, you can use Font Icons. It's made by the guys at FontAwesome, and it's currently still in beta. But it's definitely something to keep an eye on for the future. If you want something that's very similar to Icomoon, you can use Fontastic or Fontello. They're both icon fonts generators. In Fontello, for example, you can have access to a whole bunch of icon sets, like, for example, in Typo, Typicons, and a few others. So you can actually grab stuff from different fonts and create your own. Let's say you just need 4 icons. Well, you can grab one from line icons, one from web symbols, and create your own. And that's basically it for icon font kits. Now, apart from standalone sets like these, icon fonts also appear in various frameworks. More about that in the next lesson.